In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Squarespace trial. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be ready to start creating your very own website with this powerful platform. So, let's dive in and make sure you're all set up to explore the amazing features Squarespace has to offer. First, you'll want to head over to squarespace.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Get Started button. It's easy to spot, and clicking it is your gateway to embarking on this exciting journey of website creation. After clicking Get Started, you'll be prompted to choose what your site is about. This step is essential as it helps Squarespace tailor the experience to your specific needs. Take a moment to think about your website's purpose and type it in, then hit Next to proceed. As we move forward, the next question you'll face is, what do you want to accomplish with your website? This part is crucial as it begins to shape the functionality of your site according to your goals, whether it's showcasing a personal portfolio, running an online store, or blogging. Make your selection based on these aspirations and click Next to continue. Now, here comes a significant decision point. How would you like to get started? Squarespace offers you two enticing options. You can either begin building a website from scratch or choose a template that aligns with your vision. For this tutorial, let's opt to browse and choose a template. Templates are an incredible way to kickstart your website design, offering a ready-to-go framework that's fully customizable. After selecting this path, take some time to explore the variety of templates on offer. Find one that resonates with your style and objectives. Once you've found the perfect fit, go ahead and click Start with this design. After making your template choice, it's time to create your account. Squarespace makes it easy for you by allowing you to connect using your preferred email. Choose the email address you want associated with your new website, complete the straightforward sign-up process, and you'll be ready to enter the Squarespace editor. Once you've set up your account, you'll find yourself right in the heart of your new website. This is where you can truly unleash your creativity and explore the vast array of features Squarespace has to offer. From here, start customizing the design to suit your needs, adding content like text and images, and enhancing your site with various features. Remember, the template you selected initially serves as a starting point, but all aspects can be adjusted to fit your unique style and brand. Play around with the available tools, explore different layouts, and make the template your own. Squarespace's intuitive, user-friendly interface makes this process both straightforward and enjoyable. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated your Squarespace trial and are well on your way to building a fantastic website that represents your vision. Happy designing!